Hi guys, we're gonna walk through making a shooter game, top-down game like you were already looking at making with zombies and a character. Uh, I'll just show you really quick. Oh, I can't move after the zombies touch me, so I gotta run from them. So in this game, I move my mouse and the character looks at where my mouse is pointing. I can click and make the fire go, and if the zombies touch me, I get stuck, like now. When the game starts, a few zombies get created, and I get created, and I have to survive. And this is it. There's only one level. So in this video and the next, we're going to go through how to make this game. Basically, we have a character, a zombie, a bullet, which I'm calling a tongue of flame, and of course the background with walls. Not many scripts. We're just going to build some controls. The character, when he starts, goes to some random place on the map, and this just helps place him. And then as long as he's not touching a zombie, he will look at where the mouse is, and if you press a key, he'll move in that way. These gray bits, so if I press down, he would go down, but if he touches the wall, he'll take a step back. So that's what stops him from going into the wall. So all we have here is just controls with these little back steps whenever he touches dark gray. So we'll set up this project now, and you can watch these videos and I'll walk through how you can make this game so that you can make one yourself. So I'm going to go over to the Scratch window and click Create, which you can do. We'll get rid of the original cat and create a new sprite for our character. I'm going to fill them in with a different color, so I'm going to leave it on the circle tool, and I'll zoom in so I can draw around this crosshair, which indicates the center of the sprite's image or costume. And that looks pretty good. And then I'll fill it in with this bucket, some color. So there's my guy. To give him something that he's holding or an arm, draw them sticking out to the right. So I'm going to select black again. I'm just going to draw this little stick. And that can let the player know which way their character is pointing. We draw by default him pointing to the right. That way it's easy to write scripts for him. When you're done with that, you can flip back over to your scripts tab. When the character starts, he should go somewhere random. So we'll have when the program starts in the brown events drawer. I'll pull that out, and we will, in the blue drawer, we have go to, and then in operators, you have random blocks. So I'm going to put one in both the X, which is his left and right coordinate. See, as I move that, his X changes. His coordinates are up here too. And the Y is his up and down. So I'll give him a random X from minus 240 to 240. And then I can right click and duplicate that, or I can just pull one from over here. I'm going to use the left corner of that block to put it in the slot for the Y variable. And I'm going to let that be random between minus 180 and 180. So now your character is set up to go to a random place whenever you click the green flag. And that's how he'll start. In the next video, we'll write his controls.